Hey fam! Welcome to our day 2 of a weekend that never ends. And second day nga na ating weekend that never ends, so we head to Crown Plaza, Manila Galleria, at for checking in, we went to Crown Plaza Club Lounge. Here, you can enjoy light snacks, drinks, and also mga cocktails. Perfect ito for meetings and also for family na rin kasi talagang napaka-cozy ng place at ang ganda pa ng view of Ortigas. So we get to enjoy some snacks and also this favorite IHG chocolate. Sobrang viral nito, guys. Alam niyo, masasabi ko, one of the strength of Crown Plaza, Manila Galleria, sobrang warm ng staff nila. So you will feel very welcome. And then we head on to our room. So we get the premium suite with club lounge access. And also we get a twin deluxe room para din sa mga kasama namin. So if you can see, sobrang ganda ng CR nila. Grabe to. And because their rooms are fully renovated, grabe, sobrang nakaka-amaze. Perfect ito sa may mga business meetings or mga business travels or perks. At saka syempre sa family na rin. Tingnan nyo, sobrang laki ng space. Kahit saan pa magtakbo-takbo tong mga kids, sobrang ganda. So, we get to relax and enjoy the place muna. Naglaro-laro muna yung mga kids. And after that, we head on to Seven Corners. Here, they serve buffet breakfast, buffet lunch, and also buffet dinner. Sobrang sulit at sobrang sarap ng food nila. So, we get to experience dinner here. Sobrang daming seafood and also meat. You can also check their website kasi lagi silang may ongoing promo. Grabe, sa sobrang daming choices, sobrang nabusog at sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami. Favorite namin dito yung shrimp, also pati yung mga meat nila, steak, grabe. Sabi ko nga kay CJ, dito na lang siya mag-birthday ulit. I think we'll be coming back here tomorrow and the next day. Kita nyo yan, guys, yung ribeye steak nila. Grabe, yung baby back ribs nila. Sobrang lambot. Ang sarap talaga, guys. Promise, you have to try this. At sobrang na-enjoy na nga namin yung dinner. Talagang hindi na kami masyadong makalakad sa sobrang busog. Ayan, pinapakita ko lang. Sana magutom kayo. At, nga pala, grabe, nakakatuwa. Kasi itong mga kids, sobrang nag-enjoy sa food. Kaya naman, ang dami nilang nakain. This is also good for large family gatherings din. Ayan na nga hindi pa rin kami nagpaawat because they also have desserts, pasta, and also mga cheese. Guys, tingnan nyo naman yung desserts nila. Grabe. They have halo-halo, puto bongbong, and ano pa nga yung isa? Bibingka yan. For the drinks, you have to order it separately. You can also choose your pasta. And yan, after nga namin mag-dinner, nag-relax muna ako kasi it's me time. Sa sobrang ganda ng CR, grabe, sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga yung relaxing me time ko. At pagkagising namin ni Mira, we had a very quality time. She was very thankful na dinala namin siya for a staycation. And ito talaga yung routine namin every morning. Naglalambingan, cuddle, and also, ayan, nagkwekwentuhan kami ni Mira. So, I also had the time to read my Bible also. And then after that, ayan, morning, so we went back here sa Seven Corners for buffet breakfast naman. Grabe, legit. Sobrang sarap din ng buffet breakfast nila. Kaya guys, kung magstay kayo dito, sobrang sulit. Ang ganda ng rooms. At, syempre, ang breakfast buffet area, okay din siya. And if nga pala late kayong magising, if you booked a room with access sa club lounge, you can also have your breakfast there. Actually, mas matagal siyang nagko-close kesa dito sa Seven Corners buffet breakfast. And yes, in-enjoy namin ang breakfast. Umalis na kami dito, mga malapit na mag-lunch. And also guys, yan, marami silang promo dito. And after that, we met our family sa mall. Yan, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami. Check some books, check some toys. And so we headed on to Play Lab. Nandito lang siya sa Galleria, so talagang maraming activity ang pwede mong gawin with kids. Kaya alam nyo guys, sobrang sulit mag-staycation dito. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo, you can use my promo code sa Klook, Joyce Yo Klook. Enjoy!